Hi, my name is Jade, and
I'm June.
This is Kaow.
we're taking this opportunity to explore Howard Museum of Natural History, and we'll see what we can learn more about climate change. We're ready. Okay, so we're here, the climate change section, and there's a few diagrams explaining how climate change work.
Earth's climate system. Global climate is a dynamic and continuous interaction between atmosphere and oceans, land masses, ice sheets, and living things. Sun radiation drives climate system. Land, ice, clouds, and atmospheric particles reflect 1/3 of solar radiation back into space. 2/3 of the radiation are absorbed by gases and the planet lands and oceans, causing them to warm.
So Mars is an Earth's her neighbor.
Mars atmosphere is dominated by carbon dioxide, but it is 100 times thinner than on Earth. So the warming effect is
Lower
it's lower than what the Earth.
than the Earth.
Yeah.
They're talking about snowball Earth, but what exactly does it mean? Oh, I guess it's more like snowball Earth when it's going through like a period of ice. That's why it's called snowball Earth. So it happens 18,000 years ago at the height of the last ice age. Everything was buried under ice. It's a super dramatic moment of the climate change in Earth. Would you want to explain how it
The
begins?
CO2 can also emitted by the erupting volcanoes.
So this exhibit was talking about Eocene, which is the layer in the ground. So scientists have been talking about what contributes to the CO2 level in the atmosphere, and there's actually no way to measure what contributes to those CO2 levels. But one of the things they found was that within the Earth's surface, there's a really high percentage of CO2 within the Earth's layer. And over time, as volcanoes eruption occurs or the underground activities increases, CO2 gets released to the atmosphere, and that is one of the really big contribution to CO2. So we found a really good example of how of evidences of the globe heating up, and they're saying here there's a direct correlation with CO2 level. So here they've been using instruments to record CO2 level, and it's direct atmospheric measurement made since 1950s. So it's been out for over a few decades now.
Evidence of why explaining the reason of the heating up of climate. Like this one in Glacier National Park, it obviously that ice has been vanished because of global warming and climate change.
We've discovered that over like the past 100 of million years, or like a really long period of time, there's been the same patterns that have been happening to the Earth of the trend of temperature rising. And so we do conclude that the main reason that the Earth is warming is due to rise in CO2 level, but we can't say explicitly that it's caused by humans' action, because other activities such as volcanic eruption and the releases of CO2 from the underground level do contribute to the rise in temperature. So it's an ongoing process, and we'll be working more to learn about how we could make those changes
More research
more and
should be conducted.
absolutely. So yeah, hope you enjoy our video, and we've had a lot of fun exploring the museum today. Thank you.